Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to set the secondary suppliers for an item or set of items in bulk. Before knowing the process, let us understand who are secondary suppliers. An alternate supplier for a retail business is a supplier that can provide products or services as a backup to the primary supplier. In the event that the primary supplier is unable to provide the necessary products or services, the other supplier can step in to fill the gap and ensure that the retail business can continue to operate smoothly. Now, we will talk about what can be the benefits of setting these secondary suppliers. Having a secondary supplier can help mitigate the risk associated with relying on a single supplier. It can also ensure the retail business can maintain a consistency in supply of products even if the primary supplier experiences disruption or delays. If we will talk about the overall benefits of setting up an alternate supplier, so we can consider many numerous benefits to a retail business, including risk mitigation, increased flexibility, cost savings, improved negotiation power, and improved customer satisfaction. So now we will see how to set up a secondary supplier for an item or set of items in bulk in HQ. For this, firstly we will go to BPM, then purchase management, then supplier settings and supplier wise item mapping. Now in choose supplier to map, you will select the supplier which you want to map as a secondary supplier for the item. To search the supplier, press spacebar key here. Now all the suppliers will be listed here. You will select one supplier which you want to map as a secondary supplier. Suppose select Lakshmi Agency. After selecting the supplier, you have to select the item for which you want to map the supplier as secondary. So here we have selected the item as boiled rice 3 kg. Now in choose supplier type, there are two options available, which is main and other. Main means if this supplier is a primary supplier for this item, so you will select main, or if the supplier is a secondary supplier for this item, so you will select other. Suppose we are selecting other now and click on new map to map this item with the supplier, and now click on OK. So here you can see for boiled rice 3 kg, this supplier has been mapped as other, means secondary. Similarly, you can map it for other items as well. So this is how you can set the secondary suppliers for an item or set of items in bulk.